reCHARJ is a superfood packed fibre, protein, multivitamin, probiotic, etc. drink with no nasties, no stimulants and no additives. I made reCHARJ mainly as a weight loss assistance drink to gain some better health and lose a bit of weight in this day and age of poor health, poor diets and a busy lifestyle. Focus, a bit of extra energy, assist in your weight loss. There's so much. Anyone over the age of 3 can easily enjoy a reCHARJ a day or 2. Exclusive to boganbybenny.com. Oh, free postage Australia wide too. Don't forget, say good day to a stranger, eh? Hooroo. Oh, look at that.